Hello, in this video we will learn how to find unit digit of a number. For this we have to know what is congruence and its properties. Now we define a congruence relations. Congruence symbol is this is congruence symbol. Now we define a congruence to be mod n. This means a minus b, this means a minus b is divisible by n, or simply we can say that if a is divided by n, then remainder will come b. Okay, so this is a simple congruent equivalence relations. Okay, now taking an example that 13, if we 13 and is divided by 10, 13 is divided by 10, then the remainder will be 3, and it will denoted by like this, sorry, like this. That's meaning 13 minus 3 is divisible by 10. And by this congruence relation we can easily calculate the unit digit of a number. Suppose we have to find unit digit of the number 7289. Find unit digit of this number. It one example. So what is the unit digit of this number? That is equals to 9. You easily can say that the unit digit of this number equals to 9. Okay, but we will do by this congruence relation. How? 7289 congruence to 9 mod 10, and you can simply check that 7289 minus 9, that is equals to 7280, is divisible by 10 easily. So the unit digit of this number equals to 9. Unit digit of this number equals to 9. Okay, now we have to find unit digit of 9 to the power 49. So this is a very big number. We cannot calculate it easily. So there is a one trick to calculate unit digit of this number. We can write 9 square, that is equals to what? That is equals to 89. We know 9 square equals to 89. If we divide 81 by 10, what is the remainder? That is equals to remainder equals to 1, and we write it like this: remainder 10. That is 9 square modulo 1 mod 10. This means if we divide 9 square, that is 81, by 10, 1 will be 1 will be remainder. Okay, now we 9 square into to the power 49, we have to calculate 9 to the power 49. Now we calculate 9 square to the power 24. Then right hand side we also calculate 1 to the power 24, and mod 10 similarly as mod 10, and 9 24 into 9 to the power 48, and right hand side it will be 1. It will be 1 mod 10. But we have to find unit digit. So 9 to the power 48, oh, unit digit of 9 to the power 48 equals to 1, but we have to find 9 to the power 49. So we have to multiply both side by 9. So 9 to the power 48 into 9, that is equals to 1 mod 10, and 9 to the power 49 equals, sorry, mod 9 mod 10. So the remainder is 9. So the unit digit of 9 to the power 49 equals to 9. This is the trick. Okay, suppose we have to find unit digit of 279 to the power 15 plus 279 to the power 2020. So for this problem we calculate individually for the number 7 to the power 15 and 251 to the power 2020. First we calculate unit digit of 279 uh, 279 to the power 15, unit digit of this. So this is equals to mod 9, and we can also write as like this: 279 minus 1 mod 10, because minus 1 is equivalent to 9. Now 279 whole square equals to the power 15, sorry, to the power 15, that is equals to minus 1 whole to the power 15 mod 10, and this is equals to 279 to the power 15 equals to minus, since minus 1 multiplied by 15 times, so 1 minus will come, and 1 to the power 15 equals to 1, so that is equals to mod 10. And we know that minus 1 mod 10 equals to 9 mod 10, so unit digit of this number equals to 9. And again we calculate for the second second one, 251 whole to the power 2020. For this unit digit. Okay, so for this we know 251 modulo 1 mod 10. Okay, and modulo 1 mod 10 because sorry, 251 modulo 1 mod 10 because 251 minus 1, that is equals to 250, is divisible by 10. So and now calculate 251 whole to the power 2020, that is equals to 1 whole to the power 2020 mod 10. So this is equals to 1 to the power 2020 equals to 1 mod 10. So the unit digit of this number equals to 9, and unit digit of this number equals to 1. So unit digit of this number equals to 9 plus 1, that is equals to unit digit of unit digit equals to 9 plus 1, that is equals to 10. So unit digit will be 0. Unit digit will be 0. অতএব unit digit, sorry, this is mod 10 na, and unit digit will be 0. This is the answer, and this is the very short method to calculate unit digit of a number.
If you have any query, please comment on below, and please do like, share and comments, and don't miss to subscribe the channel. Thank you.